టీఆర్ఎస్ పార్లమెంటరీ పక్ష నేత కె కేశవరావు రాజ్యసభలో మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Telangana is a state of my India. India is part of Asia. Asia is part of 6 subcontinents, and this subcontinent make a nation. So we can go and where local we can make as the vocal. This is what today we are talking. So education must also think of devised methods of how to teach and what should be taught to the boys. Give me one book, tell me speaking truth is good. I used to ask, I mean, there was one question, sir. There's not a single book, sir, wherein you say, Rama is a good boy, is good, therefore good. No, Rama is good, he speaks truth. Well, is what he said. Rama speaks truth, so is good, it is not there. That logic is not taught. I know one thing, sir, I'm taking 1 minute more, half a minute more. Sir, there was a question, if you have 1 liter of milk sold for 10 rupees, if you add 1 liter of water, what profit you will make? This is a question in a textbook. But quite possible arithmetically it makes sense, but morally it doesn't. So every lesson that we teach should have this moral. So the NEP we are talking about the morals and other things is sensitization. I am not opposed to it. I come to what Shiva said about regional languages. Then, sir, these regional languages, let me tell you, we have already written 3 letters, the Chief Minister written to the Prime Minister, that the central examinations should be conducted in the regional languages along with Hindi. Hindi, in your committee, sir, you are a chairman there. My objection is, I am a pro-Hindi. यादव जी मैं तो प्रो हिंदी हूँ, आप भी थे उसी कमेटी में, यही बोलने का था कि हम हिंदी के लिए अंग्रेजी बचाव के मूवमेंट में थे लोहिया साहब के साथ. तो अब सवाल क्या है, आपके पास आके इस पार्लियामेंट में जब आप क्या हिंदी सुनते हैं तो हिंदी से भाग जाना पड़ रहा है. आधे आप बात करके मैं समझ में आ जाता हूँ, जब वहां से थोड़ी बात करते थोड़े लोग, मैं ऐसा नहीं बोलता, बात करते तो समझ में नहीं आता. आप डिक्शनरी तो नहीं देख सकते, हिंदी का डिक्शनरी तो यूज करने का नहीं है.
ठीक है,
अगर आप उसे हिंदुस्तानी कर देते, आपकी लैंग्वेज को हिंदी का हिंदुस्तानी कर देते, इंग्लिश में, हम सब लोगों को, मेरे कोई नहीं, शिवा को नहीं, कृष्ण साहब को नहीं, हम सबको फायदा होता है. हिंदी में ऐसा बात की जो हम समझ सकते हैं. इस बातों से साहब, about Telangana we have a lot of issues which my friend will take it up tomorrow.
Thank you
very much, sir.
Thank you. Members, whenever they speak, they have to look at the chair. Present or not, what can you do? Next is YSRCP. They have not given name. They are not there in the house. Offset.